Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I am unboxing a Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. I'll also unbox a case and a USB-C to headset adapter. First, let's start with the case. Here's the case. Next is the USB-C headset adapter. Here's the adapter. Finally, the S22 Ultra. We got the phone. The SIM ejector pin. And the cable. Let's try turning on the phone. While the phone is booting up, let's install the case. I'll just set up the phone. And here's the home screen. Now let's try the headset adapter. As you can hear, the earphones are working. As a bonus, I'll test the phone's 5G mobile data. Enjoy! I'll be making a video about the headset adapter in the future. Subscribe to my channel so you won't miss it. And don't forget to like this video.